Question number 1. Who has presented the Union Budget of India maximum number of times? Correct answer option D. Morarji Desai. Question number 2. Central Seed Testing and Referral Laboratory is located in. Correct answer option B. Varanasi. Question number 3. Karnataka is the largest producer of. Correct answer option B. Ragi. Question number 4. Which image is on the back of 20 rupees note of Mahatma Gandhi new series? Correct answer option B. Ellora Caves. Question number 5. Income tax in India was introduced by. Correct answer option B. James Wilson. Unit Trust of India was established in. Correct answer option A. 1964. Question number 7. In the world, in the production of cotton, India ranks. Correct answer option B. Second. Question number 8. High Court of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is located in which state of India? Correct answer option D. West Bengal. Question number 9. Which country has the highest e-commerce growth rate? Correct answer option D. India. Question number 10. In India, yellow revolution is associated with. Correct answer option A. Production of oil seeds.